Have you ever heard the term rightsizing? No, not downsizing, rightsizing. Homeowners, you might be sitting on a gold mine, and I'm not talking about a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about your house. Let's get real for a minute. If you've owned your home for a while, 5, 10, 15 years, you're probably sitting on a pile of equity that could completely shift your lifestyle. But most people don't even realize it because they're too comfortable or lack of understanding of equity. Here's what I'm seeing right now. Homeowners who are ready to simplify and sell their current home, cash out that equity, and pay cash for something smaller, smarter, and way more aligned with where they are in their life. No mortgage, no rate drama, and no 30-year ball and chain. Why are you staying in that 4-bedroom home when 2 of the rooms are just collecting dust and you spend every weekend maintaining a property that doesn't fit your life anymore? This isn't about downsizing. It's about rightsizing. It's about freedom, flexibility, and options. But get this, most people do not move because they're waiting for that perfect market or rate. The market does not have to be perfect when you're walking away with cash in your hand. Experts predict the average homeowner may have $300,000 in home equity. That gives you leverage, control, and smart real estate for your next move. So if you've been thinking about simplifying, rightsizing, and maybe even getting out of that high-maintenance home, and it's just something that gives you your time back, it might be already within your reach. Let me run the numbers for you. I'll tell you what your home is worth, what you net, and what that equity could buy you without a mortgage attached. Contact my team and I, and we'll prepare a valuation and give you an unfiltered truth your Zillow estimate won't. I've seen all high markets, low markets, and know exactly how to help you capitalize on your investment for your next chapter in your life. I'm John Meier with Westplex Real Estate, here for all your real estate needs.